This is actually my dad's recipe that I've been making and eating for over 30 years. And we're using a slightly unusual condiment in the sauce to give it an extra tang. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Potato salad might just be the perfect summer side dish. Parties, barbecues, picnics, it works with them all. And now we're finally allowed to meet up outside again. I thought it's the perfect time to share this recipe with you. So let's get cooking. I'm making this to serve 6 to 8 people as a side dish, so I'm using 5 medium-sized potatoes that have been chopped into bite-sized chunks. So let's add those to the pan. Cover the potatoes with cold water and then turn on the heat and bring to the boil. We want to simmer for about 7 to 9 minutes until tender. Then drain the potatoes in a colander and leave to cool for about 10 minutes. Once those potatoes have cooled, we're going to place them in a bowl and bring the potato salad together. Add in half of a small finely diced onion, followed by 6 tablespoons of full-fat mayonnaise. Next in goes 3 tablespoons of salad cream. This is a UK condiment and it works really well in potato salad. It's got a lovely creamy tanginess to it. If you can't get hold of it though, I have created my own simple recipe and I'll link to that in the description below. Also add in a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. My dad was famous for his love of pepper, and this white pepper is a key ingredient in this recipe. Now we want to mix it all together. Once it's mixed, cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or up to a day before serving. Place in a serving bowl and top with a sprinkling of fresh chives. I know that's going to go perfectly with our barbecue later. And if you're looking for more summer sides, then you've got to try our creamy coleslaw recipe. See you next time.